Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Odyssey battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Always double-check your connections for security before starting the engine. Let's get started with the removal process. Now let's remove the old battery. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. It's usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench for this. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, which has a plus sign and a red cable. Be careful not to let the wrench touch any metal parts of the car while connected to the positive terminal. Finally, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp. This will allow you to safely lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place your new battery into the battery tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp and tighten it firmly so the battery cannot move. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are snug and secure to prevent any power issues. You're almost done. To complete the process, start your Honda Odyssey to ensure the new battery is functioning properly. Listen for a strong start and check that all electrical components are working. For added longevity, consider applying an anti-corrosion spray to your battery terminals. This helps prevent buildup and ensures a good connection over time. And speaking of good connections, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your vehicle maintained and yourself hydrated are both excellent habits for the road ahead. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.